Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect Bambu Lab P1S to a computer, USB and network connection setup. Step 1. Connect the P1S to Wi-Fi. Turn on your P1S printer and open settings on the printer. Now select WLAN Wi-Fi, choose your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, recommended and connect using your Wi-Fi password. Now wait until the printer shows that it is connected to the network. Step 2. Bind the printer to your Bambu Lab account. Install the Bamboo Handy app on your phone and sign in with your Bambu Lab account. Now tap Add Devices Plus. Then scan the QR code displayed on the P1S screen. Complete the binding process by following the prompts. Use the same Bambu Lab account on both your phone and computer. Step 3. Install Bamboo Studio. Download and install Bamboo Studio on your Windows or Mac computer from the official Bamboo Lab website. Now launch Bamboo Studio and sign in using the same Bamboo Lab account that you used to bind the printer. Step 4. Connect the printer in Bamboo Studio. Open the device tab. Your P1S should appear automatically. Now select the printer and click Connect if prompted. Once connected, you will be able to monitor print progress, send models directly to the printer, view the printer camera if enabled, manage AMS settings if installed. Step 5. Optional. Use LAN only mode. If you do not want to use Bamboo Cloud on the printer, go to Settings, then go to LAN only mode and enable it. Note the access code shown on the printer. In the Bamboo Studio, open the Device tab, then select the printer, enter the access code, and complete the connection. And ensure your computer and printer are connected to the same local network. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.